Do you know ChatGPT AI Chatbot is the fastest growing consumer software application in history, gaining over 200 million monthly users. It generates 1.8 billion monthly visits worldwide, and users typically spend 5 minutes and 21 seconds on ChatGPT website. Now you can do the same and get the same results. Imagine a minute from now you can launch your very own ChatGPT Like AI chatbot without coding skills in seconds. That is what is possible with ChatPal AI, first-to-market app that lets you launch your own ChatGPT Like AI chatbot without any coding skills in just 60 seconds. It comes with inbuilt AI chatbot like ChatGPT. Create 100% SEO-friendly content for thousands of niches without wasting time or writing a single word yourself. Generate high-quality AI images in just few clicks. Generate high-quality ChatGPT prompts in just few clicks. Create social media posts in seconds. Generate high-quality email swipes in just few clicks. Generate Google, Facebook, and Core Ads copy in 60 seconds. Generate YouTube intro, outro, and title and description. Generate YouTube channel idea in 60 seconds with AI. Turn any music or voice into high-quality content. Generate high-quality program code in just 60 seconds. Convert AI chatbot conversation into PDF format in one click. Correct any content grammar in just few clicks. Create high-converting sales scripts in 60 just seconds. Generate sales page for any offer with the help of AI. Create high-converting email swipes in a minute. Create spreadsheets of various kinds of data. Generate an outline for a research topic. Translates English text into French, Spanish, and Japanese. Convert any language into multiple language. All contests are based on total revenue solo only. It comes with done-for-you ChatGPT prompt. Inbuilt traffic source. No domain and hosting required. Free SSL included. No technical skills required. 24/7 premium support to solve all your issues on time. Commercial license included. And the best part? No monthly fee. No tech skills. No past experience. No coding skills required. Sounds interesting? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start building your AI chatbot today. No coding skills needed. Hit the below link now to watch ChatPal AI in action.